Hey guys, it's Wishing Games here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be playing some more Fortnite. Welcome back to another video. Yep. No friends online. And I'm sorry about that. I was playing with a friend. I'm bored, so I'm gonna make a TikTok. And always leave a like and subscribe. Fortnite song. Hello. Hey. Yeah, I'm trying to get the free battle pass. Yeah. And I just need 2 more to get it. Because I'm at 9. Do you guys care if you're on YouTube? They rearranged the chest. Wow. Nobody heard me. Nobody heard me. You guys can't do that to me. Fortnite.
I get them dogs, I don't deal with scrubs. Don't you ever disrespect my name. I build like myth and shoot like ninja. Cause you know that I've got the tightest aim, yo. Fortnite all day, all
No. And I got a couple shout outs to make. One is go subscribe to Shout Out 05 and Gabby first. Me and her are gonna do a trampoline video on Tuesday. So go watch that. Please and thank you. And I'm trying to get the free battle pass so I can get some new skins. Hello? Anybody got mic? Yo. Anywhere you want to go? Let's do... Okay, I don't care. That would work. Yeah, I'm trying to get the free battle pass. I'm so close to getting it, though. Oh, somebody stole my house by accident. Oh my god, no! No, don't glitch on it! Don't glitch onto the map! Don't glitch onto the map! Why? Why does it have to be me? Why? Why does it have to be me? What the fuck? You guys better not call that copyright. Oh no! Why? Why do I have to lag out? There we go. And another shout out is to